Boost your online presence with our expert services. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses, professionals, and individuals alike. With the majority of people turning to the internet to find information, connect with others, and make purchasing decisions, it's essential to ensure that your online presence accurately reflects your brand and values. At Zionike, we specialize in helping you boost your online presence through our expert services. Our team of professionals has years of experience in creating and implementing effective online strategies that drive results. Our services include 1. Website design and development. A well-designed website is the foundation of a strong online presence. Our team will work with you to create a visually appealing and user-friendly website that showcases your brand and values. 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. Ensure that your website appears at the top of search engine results pages, SERPs, with our SEO expertise. We'll optimize your website's content, structure, and meta tags to improve your search engine rankings. 3. Social media management. Leverage the power of social media to connect with your audience and build your brand. We'll create and implement a social media strategy that aligns with your goals and values. Content creation. High-quality content is essential for engaging your audience and establishing your expertise. Our team will create compelling content that resonates with your target audience. 5. Online reputation management. Protect your online reputation by monitoring reviews, responding to feedback, and maintaining a positive online presence. We'll help you build a strong online reputation that attracts customers and builds trust. 6. Paid advertising. Reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website with our paid advertising services. We'll create and manage effective ad campaigns that align with your goals and budget. 7. Email marketing. Nurture your leads and build customer loyalty with our email marketing services. We'll create and send targeted email campaigns that drive results. By leveraging our expert services, you'll be able to increase your online visibility and reach a wider audience, build a strong and consistent brand identity, drive more traffic and generate leads, establish your expertise and thought leadership, improve your online reputation and customer satisfaction, stay ahead of the competition, and achieve your online goals. Don't let your online presence hold you back. Partner with us today and discover the power of a strong online presence. Contact us to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your online goals.